Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to find the focused messages section on the LinkedIn app for PC after the new update. If you've recently noticed some changes in the layout and you're not sure where to find things, this step-by-step guide will help you get right back on track. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll see the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. This bar is where you'll find the key icons you use most frequently, including your notifications, your profile, and of course, your messages. Next, look for the messaging icon located in the top menu. It's represented by a chat bubble symbol. Click on it to open up your messages. This is your main inbox where all your conversations are stored. Now that you're inside the messaging section, you'll notice that LinkedIn has introduced two tabs, Focused and Other. These are designed to help you manage your conversations more effectively. The Focus tab is where LinkedIn gathers the messages it thinks are most relevant and important to you. These might include messages from your connections, professional opportunities, or conversations that carry more weight for your networking goals. To see your focused messages, simply click on the tab labeled Focused. Once you do, you'll instantly see only the conversations that have been prioritized by LinkedIn's filters. If you ever want to check messages that don't appear there, you can switch back to the Other tab right next to it. This feature is especially helpful for cutting through the noise and ensuring you don't miss out on the messages that matter most. Instead of scrolling endlessly through all conversations, you now have a clean space focused only on your key communications. That's it. Just a quick, simple process. Open the LinkedIn app, click the messaging icon in the top menu, head over to the messaging section, and then choose the Focused tab. From there, you're all set to stay on top of your most important LinkedIn conversations with ease.